So you're trying to manifest him back and nothing's changing. And you're probably thinking there's something that you're doing wrong. But before you do that, listen up. The first thing I want you to do is start thinking about what method are you using to manifest. A lot of people are trying SP affirmations and it is definitely not working for them. Here's why. Babe, you could say all day, every day, he's responsive, he's present, he's showering me with gifts. But if your mind does not believe that, you're actually working against yourself. Here's a question for you. How much do you truly believe that you can control other people's behavior? Because with that 100% belief, any SP affirmation you do is going to backfire. It is not going to work for you. And the only reason is because you yet do not have the belief system to support it. So it's not the best tool for you to use. Here's what I want you to do instead. Anytime you're focused on him, on what he's doing, you're focused outward, which means you're giving away your power and you do not believe that you can change that. So it is working against you. I want you to turn the focus inward, understanding that what you can control is yourself, your energy. When you upgrade your belief system, when you shift your energy to become an energetic match to what you want, which you can 100% control, then you allow what you want in, which is the essence of manifestation. All your power is in what you can control. Why would you give up your power to something that you cannot control? Does not make any sense. Follow along if you want more tips on how to manifest the right way to start seeing changes really, really fast. You can learn to shift this.